friends, welcome back to my channel, or hello, welcome. My name is Ella. If you are new, please don't forget to subscribe and join my YouTube family. Also, don't forget to ring the bell right beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload my video every Wednesday and Saturday. But in today's video, we are going to be creating this look. This is a Kathleen Light inspired look. Actually, this is her makeup look that she posted on Instagram. I'm going to put a picture right here. And I am obsessed with Kathleen Lights, and I just got some of her pigments. If you guys haven't seen my haul with that, I'll leave a link down on the description bar below or in a little eye up here. And I'm really happy of how it turned out. So I hope that this is a Kathleen Lights approved look, and I even wear like something that she was wearing on that picture. I don't have the exact same shirt, but yeah, if you guys want to see how I created this look, then keep on watching. Okay, so I went ahead and do this eye right here so then I can see if I can actually recreate her look. So I'm going to show you guys how I did it on this eye. I'm going to go and prime my eye with the Colourpop No Filter Concealer, and I'm just going to put a little bit on my eyelid here. I'm just going to use a flat shader brush to blend this color in. And I went in with my wet sponge and just blend it all together. So I'm gonna set this concealer with this shade right over here. And this is the shade Punch Me. And bring it all over, right over here on top of my crease. So now I'm going to be mixing these two colors together. This is the Pinkity Dinkity and the Skip. And I'm just gonna use my big Morphe E28 brush. And I'm just gonna put it all over my crease. And I'm bringing it into my inner corner because it looks like her look has like some halo look to it. So we're just going to keep blending and building this pink color up. So with a smaller blending brush, this is a Morphe M139. I am going to be dipping it into this pink color right here in the shade Skip. And I'm just going to be precise and putting it right on the outer V and bringing just the pink color. And I'm going to put it a little bit on the inner corner as well. Okay, now using this tiny e.l.f. blending brush. And this is like just a flat brush, you guys can see. I'm going to go ahead and wet it with my Colourpop All-Star Spray. And then going to be dipping it on this shade. And this is the shade The Scale. And I'm going to put it all over the lid. Look how pretty that is. Oh my gosh. So I'm just putting this all over my lid, and I'm bringing it up to my crease because when I open my eyes you can't really see everything. And now I am going into pencil brush, and I'm going into the shade Skip. Small blending brush, and just blend this color and blend the edges. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit more of Scale. And now I'm just using a small flat brush. I'm gonna go ahead and wet it again with my Colourpop. And then we're gonna dip it into this shade Maiden. And just dip it in there. Tap the X's. We're gonna put it right in the middle of our lid. This seems like it just put the look together. With the same shade Maiden, I'm gonna put it right in my inner corner here. I am using this flat shader brush from Wet n Wild. And I am dipping it into a Pinkity Dinkity and a Skip. And I'm just going to bring it down on my lower lash line. With an e.l.f.'s smudge brush, we're going to be dipping it in the same color. And then putting it really close to the lash line. So it looks like KathleeLights has a blue eyeliner as well. And I wasn't prepared and I didn't get a blue eyeliner. And the only eyeliner that I have that is blue is this Rimmel London Special Eye Precision Eyeliner Pencil. And this is what it looks like. This is not a good eyeliner, but I'm just gonna go ahead and use this because this is all I have. And I ran it through my finger to kind of warm it up because it's a pencil liner, and I hate pencil liner because they're very drying. Now we're gonna go ahead and curl our lashes. And then I'm gonna use my Essence Volume Boost Lash Primer and just put it on top of my lashes. Putting a white base on my lashes that would make the blue pop. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and kind of clean a little bit of this glitter right here and then make some edge. Now let's go ahead and dive into Colourpop BFF Volumizing Mascara, and this is on the shade Blew Your Mind. I like that. Basically, it's like blow your mind, but it says blew your mind. Okay, so that's it for the eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and move on with my face. Okay, now with concealer, we're gonna go ahead and use our Colourpop No Filter Concealer on the shade Medium. So I'm just gonna go ahead and set this concealer with this HD matte powder from the brand Céleste. Okay, I'm gonna get a powder brush and just kind of brush everything off. Since her face looks like she's dewy and stuff, before I put any more powder on my face, I'm just gonna go ahead and use this Skin & Co. Truffle Therapy Illuminating Skin Mist. Okay, so I'm gonna do a little bit of contouring, and we're gonna use the e.l.f. contouring palette. I'm going to mix these two colors together using my e.l.f. blending brush. Okay, now for blush. I don't really know what to use. I don't know what she used for that blush. It looks very like slightly pink. I think I'm gonna use this blush right here. This is Dance Floor. I'm gonna mix them two colors together because it's not showing up. Okay, it looks like her highlight is a little bit like champagne-y color. I think I'm gonna go use this Colourpop on the shade Flexitarian. Just go ahead and put it on our cheeks. Okay, I like that. I'm gonna do my eyebrows real fast, and I'm gonna do it off camera, and then I will be right back. I finished my eyebrows, and I think I've kind of like finished everything else. We're gonna go ahead and move on with the lips, but before I do that, I'm gonna fix up a little bit down on my lower lash line. It's not bad, but I felt like I lost a little bit of some of that pink color. So I just dipped back into my James Charles palette. And we're gonna drag this out a little bit lower. So I felt like the concealer kind of took away some of that pigment. The highlight that I used for my cheeks, I added it on my eyebrow or my brow bone. Okay, so with the lips, I believe she used her lipstick on the shade What's Your Sign, but I don't have that lipstick yet. But I'm just gonna go ahead and I think maybe, hopefully this will work. This is the Urban Decay lipstick. This is their old like bullet. And this is on the shade Rush. And that's the shade right there. So I think we're gonna go ahead and just use this and maybe add a little bit of lip gloss to make it a little bit dewy, like she said. Ooh, I actually love that. Okay, I think we're gonna add a little bit of lip gloss, and we're going to be using the Dominique Cosmetic Lemonade Lip Gloss, and this is on the shade Peach. And I'm just gonna add a little bit on the middle of my lips. Ooh, I'm loving this look. I'm gonna go set my face with my Milani Make It Last Matte Setting Spray. here's the finished look, you guys. Looking so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna put my hair down just like how her hair is down as well. So here's the finished look. I am actually in love with this look. I'm definitely wearing this anywhere else. Maybe I will like recreate it again. And this mascara, it looks like, even though it's blue, it looks really good with the look, and it just puts everything together. It's that pop of color. So if you guys enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any of the videos that'll be coming up. Thank you for watching, and I will see you later. Bye!